I was gonna upload those last 3 to YouTube, but you know, I'll pump out one more right quick. Let's go ahead and get my Punisher. I'll punish you. Go and rearrange first. Okay. Throw this egg down here. I guess I'll put this right beside the egg. Time to get my Punisher.
Got some rat.
Yeah, she do got something selling?
Is that all?
Let's get rid of that.
Thank you.
Spindle.
Is that all? Thank you.
I think that's
What
it.
are you buying? What are you buying?
Oh,
What are
gotta
you
sell my
selling?
handgun first.
Is that all straight? Is
You
that
won't
all?
be missed, little handgun.
Thank
You
What
suck.
are you buying?
Give me my fucking Punisher. Time to punish them motherfuckers.
Thank
I'm not gonna
you.
punish
What are
you.
you
I'm gonna
buying?
punish both of you. Cause punish
Is that all?
both of you too.
Is that all? Is that all? Thank you.
Thank you. No. You're welcome. Thank you for the Punisher, though. Not only did I get a free power upgrade, but I got the free gun itself, and that's what it do. Alright, let's go ahead and continue. Oh. I ain't want nothing in that barrel anyway, because it's a waste of time even chopping it. Going to this little shack right here. Take handgun. Chop barrel open. Yeah, money. I just looked that way. I'm tripping. Yep, heads up. Gotta watch out. Run as fast as you can. But you can't catch me. I'm Super Agent Leon, man. Yo! Told you, man, I'm Super Agent Leon. You can't fuck with this. Throwing some fucking rocks and shit. I'll take that. Okay, nothing in that tree. Nope. Alright, see if I can hit this trap. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Can't fuck with Leon, man. If I pop this barrel, pop that box over here. Oh shit, it was a snake in there. I tried to shoot it, but I couldn't. Hey, wait a minute. Why did it try to attack me instead? Why couldn't attack the dude in there? Okay. I'll punish both of you. Yeah. I can't wait for that cabin battle. I really can't. Holy shit. You smart ass motherfucker. Eat that. Trying to be fucking smart throwing shit up here. Go ahead and take this goodie down here. What's this goodie right here? Hell yeah, the more grenades the better. Okay, now where does Snake go? There you go. Where you running to, Snake? You tried to attack me from way where you was. You can attack those dudes. Fuck you. Oh, thank you. I appreciate the gold. I love gold. Yes, gold is delicious. Fuck that man behind me. I'm gonna take this goodie and run. Take this left. Take this incinerator grenade. Yep. They gave me one grenade. Why'd they give me two? Incinerator grenade sucks still. Die. I know you're coming up here. You know what, matter of fact, keep going. Run away. Didn't he just say that already? You know what, pull out my shotty. Holy shit, somebody ran into the trap. Wow, not very smart. They set the traps, but they still run into it. Oh, come on. I shot you once already. Stupid snake. Thank you for the egg, though. Music not scary enough. Oh! Probably shouldn't did that anyway. Probably just use my handgun, but fuck it. Still coming? Come on. Oh, come on, man. But there's my shotgun ammo and just die in one hit. Uh-oh. Are you trying to grab me? I ain't like that, nigga. Are you trying to be smart? Fucker. You trying to be smart ass motherfuckers. Eat that. Coming around corners and shit. Eat that. Okay, you can stop coming now. I'm tired of killing y'all. Come here behind me. Yep. Oh, I killed him too. Okay, now it's on. Why the music still playing? Don't tell me it's still coming. Fuck! I got to kill him, man. I got to kill him. I'll punish all of you. Come on. Get behind him. Fuck. Gotta wait for him. Come on, single file. I love this gun. Alright. I'll take that. Well, I'll sell that incinerator grenade you gave me, because it's worthless. It's a piece of shit. Oh, come on, Leon. All this running and shooting, you still getting tired? Okay, I think it's a red herb straight up ahead. If I still remember. No, it's not right there. Might be by this tree. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Cutscene? Okay, let's see what this cutscene is. Okay, we got two crazy people throwing in dead police guy. Shit.
Vámonos.
Vámonos.
Ándale.
Ándale. Poor guy. Well, he best be dead still alive. Yep. Better be dead than alive. Don't worry, Leon. You can kill it. You the man. Well, pretty man. Pretty boy man. Whatever the heck you want to call yourself. Secret agent man. Okay, so be something in the tree up ahead. There you go. Pop. Thank you. Gold bagels. Oh, gold pearl bagel. Okay. I think that's what it said. Gold pearl bagel. Oh, it's safe up ahead, ain't it? Yes. I guess I'll stop right here and go ahead and get these videos to YouTube. I'll take this. Okay, yeah, I grabbed it. Time to organize while I save. Get everything all nice and organized here. Look at that gold egg. I love gold. Yeah. Put you down here. Put your other one down here too. We'll line up these two down here. Everything's looking nice, clean, and organized. Yeah, time to save.